3.8 liter V6 on a 2010 Chrysler Town & Country. Oh, here, look. I haven't. Let's listen to the problem. Okay. Probably shouldn't do this, but when I touch that, the sound goes away. Well, now it's not going away. Anyway, I already changed the belt tensioner and the other thing. I don't know if this is the problem. Okay, I need this tool, 10 millimeter. On that, at the junkyard, the headlight was out. I could reach right in there and grab everything. So I think I'm going to be replacing the power steering pump. It moves a little bit in and out. Wow, that's not moving much at all, but it moves more when the belt is off. And the new one that I got from the junkyard does not move at all. Okay, I guess it's time. Oh, so I used this to take off the wheel cover down there, and there's a couple clips. And then stick that in the belt tensioner. Twist it that way, pop the belt off.